What exactly do CBD products promise for our hair, or those who are touting these products? What exactly is it supposed to do for our hair? Hey guys, welcome back. I want to say what's up to all my subbies and what's up to all the newbies. And just in case you have no idea what a newbie is, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, maybe for multiple times. We do not count around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subbies, and I want all of my newbies to come on in. Okay, so for today, we got a new topic, honey. So fresh off the press, we are going to discuss a little bit of CBD hair products. Now, there has been some murmuring, some chit-chatterings, and some talk about town as far as these products and how it can help our hair, more specifically towards its growth and overall health. So we're just going to dive right into it really quickly and see what all the hubbub is about. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. Now, cannabidiol, or CBD for short, most of us know that this is one of the chemicals that can be found in the hemp plant. The hemp plant, which is a form of the cannabis plant. Now, unlike THC, which is also found in the cannabis plant, CBD, I know it's a lot of letters, just keep up with me. CBD is not psychoactive. In other words, this won't get you high. This is not going to lift your spirits, so to speak. So it's inactive in that way. But it has been found to be active in other ways as far as health benefits. CBD products can be found in all forms, as far as gummies, as far as different oils, topical oils for skin. It has been used to treat inflammation, pain, seizures, Parkinson's disease, anxiety, and a host of other ailments and issues. So therefore, it is seen as a drug, and being that it is a drug, outside of being prescribed, it is not supposed to be used in food. However, it can be legally used in cosmetics. So along with skin products, it can be used in hair products. So a lot of people have been doing just that. But let's just dig into the hair portion, since that's what we're talking about. We're talking about hair. We have been hearing I've been hearing a lot about CBD shampoos, conditioners, and hair oils. So let's just break down some of the benefits that are being touted as far as using these CBD hair products. Now, one big thing that I did see, it is supposed to promote hair growth. Yes, CBD oil has been talked about as far as being able to prolong the anagen stage, or the growth stage. And anybody who's not a Nubian and already familiar with what's going on over here, you know that we reviewed the 4 stages of hair growth, and one of them being the anagen stage, where there is active growth. So it is purported to basically extend that session of growth in the anagen phase, as well as being that it has anti-inflammatory properties. It's supposed to help also with any inflammation with regard to the skin. So skin meaning our scalp, and of course we know that a healthy scalp bodes well for growing healthy hair. And in doing so, it's supposed to help mitigate dandruff, as well as aid in the treatment of eczema, psoriasis, and other conditions that can cause irritation and inflammation of the scalp, and therefore affect hair growth. Now, we already naturally in our skin and hair have receptors, cannabinoid receptors, that can absorb the benefits of CBD. Specifically on our hair follicles, that helps with getting the CBD oil to the scalp and distributing its benefits as far as its anti-inflammatory benefits. It's able to do that through the cannabinoid receptors in our hair follicles. Hence why CBD oils, that's touted as the best way to use this particular chemical, because it's topical and it's in direct contact with the skin, as opposed to shampoo, which you're going to rinse out. The oils stay on top of the skin, and therefore they're able to do their work, so to speak. Now, just a quick little fact. Did you know that we already have cannabinoids within our own body? Yes, ma'am. So we naturally have cannabinoids in our body. Therefore, our receptors are not only to process and take the endocannabinoids, which are the ones that are naturally made in our body, but also to take external cannabinoids, take those and absorb those as well. So CBD is deemed to be safe to use overall as far as topically, and especially for the hair. Now, with that being said, with regard to its safety, the only known side effect thus far has been an allergic reaction. And like with anything, you can have an allergic reaction to just about any ingredient. But outside of that, a lot of people have been using these products in the hopes of growing their hair longer and healthier, including a lot of people who are getting older. We know that as you get older, your hair growth changes, your hair can thin, as well as not grow as quickly or at the same rate as it used to. So again, CBD has been promoted to help circulation in the scalp, which again helps your hair to grow. So while it has been touted to have these benefits, CBD is usually coupled in hair products, is usually coupled with other ingredients that have the same benefit as far as scalp stimulation and shine and a healthy scalp. So that is worth noting, that a lot of these products that have or that are infused with CBD pair the chemical with other ingredients that promote healthy hair. CBD is not usually a standalone ingredient in these hair products. So the jury is still kind of out as far as whether CBD is all that it's hyped up to be on its own. But a lot of people do find benefits in using the CBD hair products, the shampoos, the conditioners, and especially the hair oils, and that they've seen progress in their overall hair health after using. But it is worth noting that there are a lot of brands that are sort of branching out and infusing the health benefits of the hemp plant, or CBD, in their various products. Now, the only other side effect, other than, an allergic reaction, is a little stinging to your pockets. In other words, they're a little expensive. They can be anywhere, as far as the shampoos and conditioners, they can be anywhere from $20 to about $50 to more as far as what they cost. But again, if you're looking for something that is going to help be part of your arsenal in growing your hair, in combating certain skin issues as far as your scalp, as far as eczema, as far as any inflammation and dandruff that may be associated with it, then you may want to do a little research on your own and find out if this is right for you. Now, I haven't used, and I do not have any CBD infused products, nor do I know anyone personally who has used it. But if you yourself have used it on your hair, on your scalp, and you can testify to the benefits of using these particular products, please let us all know down below. I would love to read it, and I'm sure others would love to hear about it. But yeah, I was curious about it because it had been popping up, and you see it here and there as far as different adverts and in different magazines. So I figure I'd look it up. We like to share around here and talk about what's going on and what's popular and what may not be so popular. So we like to talk about just about everything, and I figure I would come on in here and discuss and come to you with the CBD hair products. Pros and cons, the benefits, the overall use, and whether they are really hyped up to be what they claim to be. So I just wanted to come in here and just give y'all the deets. So again, if you have any one-on-one personal dealings with these products, just let us all know. Otherwise, I think we done jibber jabbered long enough, and it is time for us to get up out of here. What do you think? I think we should, honey. So that's what we're about to do. See, I told y'all this was going to be a quickie. I am not playing no games up in here. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. I need y'all to tiptoe right back in here because we got some more stuff to talk about. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back. All right.